Welcome to NaxToDoc. In this video, we are going to explain how to use and what options the NaxToDoc window offers us. Clicking on the NaxToDoc icon opens a pop-up window. The first column shows the images that have been loaded into Word. The name, ID, and template are indicated. By hovering the mouse over the image name, you can see the image in reduced size. Clicking on one of the images in the template, it is shown the information for that image in the right column. That information includes all the parameters used to take exactly that picture: name and path of the results file, type of results and elements selected, parts shown in the model, position of the camera, colors of the scene, and much more. You can manipulate any of these parameters to update images, replicate or update all images of a document in just a few clicks with a minimum waste of time for you. To edit any of the parameters of the image, just click on the value, and when the cursor appears, make the corresponding change. Once the changes have been made, click on the Apply option and they are automatically reflected below. This section reflects the name of the image and the var name, new value, and old value of each parameter that will be changed. If you want to delete any of the changes before applying, click on the Delete Selected Rows, or if you want to delete all changes, click on Reset. As you can see, everything is deleted automatically. The changes are not made until you click on Apply Changes. Let's see how it works. Select the image where you want to make the changes. The changes are made. To reflect the changes, you click on Apply. Once they are reflected in the table above and you have checked that everything is correct, click on Apply Changes. In addition, you may like to replicate the changes made in one of the images to the rest of the images of the document. To do this, follow the steps below. Select the changes you want to make again and click on Apply. The changes will appear in the box below. Click on the change you want to apply to the other photos and right-click on it. Click on Apply Changes to Other Photos and a new window will open, where you will have to indicate on which images of the document you want to apply the same change. Click on Apply and the change in all the images will appear in the box below. To apply the change definitively, click on Apply Changes. If you want to cancel the process of making the change, you can stop it by clicking on Stop Process. The process is not interrupted immediately, but below in the log where all the changes that have been made are recorded, we can see how far the changes have been made. This is the end of the video. We hope you found it useful.